Oh my god, hold on.
Another job?
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Conway County in central Arkansas, Faulkner County in central Arkansas, northeastern Perry County in central Arkansas, west central White County in central Arkansas, southwestern Cleburne County in north central Arkansas until 4:50 p.m. At 3:19 p.m. Emergency management reported flash flooding is occurring over portions of western Faulkner County. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen and additional flash flooding is expected over the warned area. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, emergency management. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Conway, Heber Springs, Greenbrier, Vernonia.
Oh my god.
Bears Ferry, Wooster, Quitman, Guy, Rosebud, Enola, Coon Groves, Menifee, Houston, Mount Vernon, Wilmey Hollow State Park, Spring Hill, Pickles Gap, Malatown, and Toad Suck. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
You're going to get 8% in a certificate of deposit.